JustKetoUk. Today we are at Elk Bakery Verona and we are going to try one of the food here. So let me show you the place. So you come here and if you want to know the menu, you're just going to use this code. So I'm going to choose this one, elk omelette. This is what I'm going to choose, but without toast. Alright, I'm not in, I'm out of ketosis, but I'm trying to come back soon because I'm a bit struggle with the hunger. I'm very hungry now, so I'm out of ketosis. Say hello to the telecamera. She's my friend. She's here. She lives here in Verona. Her name is Vera. Vera, have you tried keto diet before?
No, I don't try it.
Why? You don't have to try, isn't it? You are perfect, so you don't need to lose weight, isn't it? All right. So yeah, we are here to choose our food. The place is really beautiful. I love this place. Really love it. The style of this place is like one of UK coffee shop. Oh God, we are outside now. Look here, amazing, beautiful, really beautiful place. And today also the weather is nice, so we are very lucky. This small bread because I like keto, so I'm not going to eat the bread, just the omelette and this beautiful avocado. Let's start to eat. Great food, good vibes. I was super happy with my keto friendly brunch. A bit expensive but delicious. Hello everyone, we are here in my house at Italy, Verona. Look what my mom she made. This is tomatoes, small cherry tomatoes, and this is eggplants. Here in Italy you can make your own vegetables because the weather is very nice. Beautiful sunshine, so the vegetables can grow properly. I'ma say hello to the camera. She don't want. Anyway, we came here just to visit. Say hello.
Hello.
At least you. Oh, thank you.
Hello.
So yeah. Anyway, now we are going back to Porta Vescovo. Bye.